Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve login problem on Gmail, you will click on settings. Then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can go to the window of Gmail and you can click. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to your storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.